Barefoot ollie on these stones? Yes. Just one. I'll leave on that note, so here's another one. Tell me you were filming that. Episode 2, Transients by Nature, going down right now. This week we got a lot more planned. Monday we skated Breck Skate Park earlier today. Then we came to Breckenridge after we skated Breck Skate Park with our friends. We're hanging out like Alpine Gardens, I think, or something. I think that's where we're chilling at.
Alpine Gardens.
And
in the middle of Breck.
Yeah. Tomorrow, we don't know what we're gonna have planned, but it'll be something interesting, I'm sure. We're always good at figuring that out. And then Wednesday, we're going out to Glennwood Springs in the Steamboat area to go to the hot springs and stuff, and maybe hit the skate park out there. And yeah, should be pretty interesting. Honestly, this week will be a good time. I know I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to Glennwood Springs and being able to relax in the hot springs.
Me too. The Iron Mountain Springs.
Yeah. Can't wait for that.
So excited.
That should be a good time. But yeah, so we're just, even though we were at the skate park earlier, only for like 30 minutes or so, we didn't really get any clips. So we're going back to go get clips at the skate park because you know, if you don't film it, you weren't actually there. So I guess we got to do that now. But yeah, that's it. So we'll just go there. Ginger problems!
So to recap yesterday, we did get washed out by a bunch of children. There was like 40 little 6-year-olds all over the skate park down in Breck, so we couldn't really do much without hitting one of them, which sucked.
Yeah, I literally got one trick and then we were pretty
There's
over it.
There's just kids everywhere. And you can't do anything. You don't want to hurt them. So it was a lot of fun though. So we just went back, chilled out for the rest of the day, played video games for hours. It was awesome.
Because you're a bum.
I'm a bum. I like video games. That's about it. So today we are at the Silverthorne skate park, all to ourselves. No one's here. We just got rained on a little bit, so now we're waiting for the concrete to dry. But the sun's coming out again-ish, it looks like. So we're gonna start skating soon, and it's gonna be great.
And we're gonna get
Feeling good.
tons of clips, because yesterday we got no clips.
And now we can get all the clips, because we're alone.
Yeah, literally nobody.
Oh look, sunshine.
All right.
Let's go. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
I can start?
Yeah.
Okay, so what day is this? Oh no, episode 2. We are now in episode 2. Day 2 of episode 2. We
Day
have
3. It's day 3.
You're right. I'm sorry. It's day 3. Day 3 of episode 2. We are currently at Iron Mountain Hot Springs, which is super awesome and really fun. The mountains are huge, which is really cool because we've just been in little hot tubs and mineral water pools and stuff all day. For a little bit, we went into town, saw where Doc Holliday's saloon is and where he died, which was pretty cool. Skated around, took a nice fall on my sunburn because we've been here all day, so I got sunburned earlier. So ginger. Yeah, fell on my sunburn, so that was cool. That hurt. But it was fun. So I found some cool random skating spots that nobody was around, like back alleys. Got a couple
crusty
clips.
spots.
Crusty spots. Got a couple clips of you. That was cool. And then we had 40 wings and a couple beers for dinner. It was awesome.
Casey's Wings. It's this
Casey's
Jamaican
Wings.
place. It's sick.
It's really good. Then we came back here to chill for the rest of the night because we don't have to leave till 10. So it's, oh, the lights came on. That's fun.
Pulled up in Glennwood Springs. Got some nice mellow curb street spots. Get it.